Good morning, class 8. In the previous class, we were discussing about discount. And today, we are going to discuss tax. That is Goods and Service Tax, GST, which is applicable in India. So, let's start.
Students, here we are discussing goods and service tax GST. Value added tax, sale tax were applicable previously before goods and service tax in India. GST is an indirect tax applicable throughout India, which has replaced multiple tax levied by the central and state governments. Different type of taxes were applicable previously, so these taxes mix up one and form GST. GST comprises CGST, that is central GST levied by center, SGST, that is state GST levied by state, and IGST, that is integrated GST levied by central on interstate supply of goods and services. Before GST, VAT, that is value added tax, and sale tax were applicable. By taking some examples, we have to discuss here taxation. Example 1: the cost of a TV set at a showroom was 36,500 rupees. The sales tax charged was 8%, that is sales tax were applicable previously, was 8%. Find the bill amount. So cost price of TV set, or you can say that mark price, but it is the cost price here because we buy the TV at this cost. So the cost price of the TV set is 36,500 rupees. Sales tax is 8% of the dealing amount, that is deal amount matlab it means how much on how much we buy the thing. 36,500, that is 8 by 100 into 36,500, that will be 2920. This is the tax amount. So the bill amount equals the cost price and the tax amount, that comprises 39,420. It means we have to pay 39,420 rupees for that TV set with sales tax. Now the example number 2. Tanvi bought a watch for rupees 2,240 rupees, including GST at 12%. Find the original price of the watch. Tanvi bought that watch in rupees 2,240 with GST of 12%. With GST of 12%. So let the original price of the watch be rupees X. Therefore GST amount is 12% of X. That will be 12 by 100X. And you know bill amount is the cost price, original price, and the tax price. Tax, that will be 12 by X by 100. It will give you 112 by 100X. And according to question, this is the bill amount and bill amount is 2,240. So we have to equate this and this. So according to question, 112x by 100, that is equal 2,240. And after law of transposition, x equal to 2240 into 100 by 112, and that will give you 2,000. It means the original price of watch equals 2,000 rupees, and he paid, Tanvi paid 2,000. Tanvi paid rupees 240 for GST. Now the example number 2. A color TV, example number 3 actually. Example number 3. A color TV is available for rupees 15,360 inclusive of GST. With GST, 15,360 rupees is the price of TV in the showroom. If the original price of the TV is rupees 12,000, find the rate of GST. Rate of GST, how much percent is the GST? So you see here, the bill amount is 15,360 rupees and 12,000 is the original price of the TV. So the difference is about 3,360 rupees. It means here we have to take the rate of GST be X%. So the price, original price of the TV plus X% of 12,000, that is GST amount. This is the GST amount equals 15,360, that is the bill amount. Original price, tax and bill amount. Original price plus tax equals bill amount. Original price plus X into 12,000 by 100, that is X%, that will give you 120X equals 15,360. And 120X equals 15,360, and this is subtracted here by law of transposition. That will give you Y 3,360 rupees, and X equals 3,360 by 120, and it will give you 28. It means X equal to 28. That is the rate of GST applicable on TV is 28%. Okay.
So students, I hope you will understand the taxation system, that is how you calculate tax on certain goods or the rate of tax on the certain goods. You can watch me on my YouTube channel Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.